Alright, welcome back. So today we are going to design a poster for a 1 week celebration of somebody who is dead. So let's get started. So we go to our file, then we click on new. Now we are going to use 4 feet by 6 feet. So the feet, you have to convert it into inches. So it's going to be, so let's come here and pick inches here. Then the 4 feet is going to be 48 inches. That's 4 feet. Then the height is going to be 72. That's 6 feet. 72 inches. Because the size is big, let's reduce the resolution to, let's say 80. 80 is fine. When the size is small, then you can maintain the resolution. But the size is already big, so let's keep the 80. Then all this remains the same. The color mode, RGB color, the background white. So let's create. Alright, now the first thing is to do is to unlock our background, as I always do. So click here, this icon here, let's click on it once to just unlock for you. Now we are going to start by creating a background color. So you come here, you come to the layer panel, then you come to create new fill or adjustment layer. You click on it, then you click on solid color. Now let's pick black as the color, then we click OK. Now the next thing to do is to bring some pictures. So let's go to our resource, then let's bring this texture. You click, you drag. What the resources I'm using, I'll just give you a link to them so that you can just download. So I'm scaling it by holding the controls. So when you're done, you make sure you click on the enter key on the keyboard. Now let's rasterize the layer. So you right click and rasterize layer. Let's send it up a little. Let me enlarge it so that it can cover all the canvas. So we are done, enter on the keyboard. Alright, so the next thing is to go to the blending mode. So you come where the normal is, then you click here. Want to change the blending option. So we are going to choose a lighter color, then reduce the opacity. You come here to reduce the opacity. Alright, now let's go and bring this image. You drag, you drop. Let me scale it. Now we want to cut part of it, so we come and use this particular tool, the rectangular marquee tool. Click on it, then you highlight the area you want to cut out, then you click on the delete on the keyboard, Ctrl D to deselect. Now what we are going to do is that we are going to clean the outline of this image so that it's to blend with our background. So we pick the eraser tool, then we erase the edges. Now the flow, you can check up here. The flow is 76, the opacity is 92. So use the same settings for this. Alright, so we are done. We come here and click on the move tool, then we hold it and shift it somewhere here. Now we are going to the blending mode to change the blending option. Okay, let me see. Okay, let's pick the color dodge, then reduce the opacity of it. Now we are going to duplicate it. To hold Alt, make sure you select the layer. Then when I click on the Alt key, you realize that you see the cursor will change to black and white. Then you can drag it, or you can decide to click on the layer and drag it to the new layer option. It also duplicates for you. So we are going to scale this one up, put it somewhere here. Reduce the opacity again. We'll reduce this one too. That's fine. Now we are going to bring some of the text. So let's start by going to the text, and then let's pick the 1 week. So we select, then we copy. Now we pick our text tool, click on it, then click on the canvas, Ctrl V to paste. Alright. Now we are going to decrease the distance from the 1 and the week. So you come to the properties, then you reduce it. So you just drag so you continue to drag till you get what you want. I think that's fine. You zoom it up a little, then let's change the color. So you come to the properties, or you come to the top here, any of them. So there's color here, click on it. Let's do it white. Then I want us to increase the size of the key. So just click on the text tool, then highlights only the key. Then you come up here, or you can use the property area, then increase the size of the key. So you drag whilst it's increased. I think that's fine. Let me zoom it. So you come to the zoom tool, click on it to zoom in. So you want to fix it directly in the middle. You come here, then the selection, you click on it, then canvas. Then you can click on this area. So already it's in the middle. Now let's write our observation. So you're going to write 1 week observation. So let's go and pick observation is here. Click to copy. Then we are going to paste, Control V to paste. So when I click on it, you come and click on the pick tool. The transform control will come. Then we are going to decrease it. Then we are going to put it directly under a week. So I want to spread it to the key. So let's come here and spread the text. Click on the move tool and the V key. You see the track. That's fine. Let's change the color to maybe a lighter color, or like something close to gold. Alright, that's fine. Okay. Now we are going to bring some of the resources. So let's pick this one. So as I said, I'll put the links in the description box for you to download. Let's rasterize it. Rasterize. So you want to use only one of them, so let's cut it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a marquee tool. Click on the marquee tool, then we highlight the area we don't want, then delete on the keyboard. Control D to deselect. Then let's bring it somewhere here. Let's increase the size, scale it. I think that's fine. Now we are going to print the picture. So you click on it, you drag, put it here. Let's scale it. So we are going to put the picture inside a circle. So we come here and pick the ellipse tool, click on it, then you draw a circle, you click and drag. You hold shift, but I can get a perfect circle. Now I'm going to put the picture inside this circle. So this is a picture. So what I'm going to do is that we make sure the picture is on top of the ellipse tool. Then we right click on the picture. Then we click on create clipping marks. That's fine. So this is the circle. This is the marks. To here you can edit it, you can put it or adjust it to anywhere you want. I think that's okay. Now we are going to sharpen the picture. So come to filter, sharpen, and sharpen. So make sure the radius is 12.4. The amount is 168. You click OK. Then let's also brighten it or use the levels. So we come to image, adjustment, levels, and you hold this particular area and then shift it this way. Then that's fine. Click OK. Now what you want to do is that you want to blur the background of the image. So you select the image, the picture, then we come to select subject. So just click on subject. Alright, so now the picture is selected. So what we are going to do is that we are going to come and select these two. Can be the let's just pick the quick selection tool. So when you select it, you come to the picture area, you right click on it, then you select inverse, so that it can select the background for you. Alright, now you're going to blur it. So you go to filter, blur, the Gaussian blur. Alright, so 40.1, 31.8 is okay. So Control D to deselect. You realize that part of it wasn't selected, so we have to select that particular area. Let's zoom it. Then we just click using the polygonal lasso tool to select that area. Then we go to the filter, blur, Gaussian blur, then okay, Control indeed deselect, Control O to zoom out. Alright, now the next thing is to put them together. So let's click on the picture and click on the ellipse tool, then hold Control, then Control E to merge them together. The next thing to do is to create a stroke around it. So we create a new layer. Then we come here to the elliptical marquee tool. We draw a circle around the text. Then we come to the edit, stroke. Then the width of the stroke 13 is fine. Then the color, pick this color, like a good color. Or let's just use this color from the observation. So click on it so that you can pick here. Okay, that's fine. Or to give it, I think we should increase the size of it. So let's go again to stroke. Let's do it 16. Okay, I think 16 is okay. Control D to deselect. let's give it a different stroke on the around the picture. So you click on the picture, you come to the FX, the layer style, stroke. So we are giving the same color. So let's increase the size of the stroke. So this stroke, use the size of the stroke a little. Then you click on OK. Now the next thing to do is to select both of them. Then we drag it up a little bit to touch the design at the top. That's fine. Now let's continue to bring our image. So let's pick this one. This is a tone paper. So here you come here to rasterize. You just want to pick one of them, so you have to cut part of it out. So let's pick the marquee to rectangular marquee. Select the down one. Click on the delete on the keyboard. Ctrl D to deselect. So here we want to rotate it. So you bring your cursor here. You realize that when you bring the cursor here, it will change into an arc. Then you can rotate. So when it changes to an arc, it's indicating that you can rotate it. So after rotating, you can scale it. So we are scaling. Okay. Now let's decrease this opacity of this picture. The background should go down a little bit. Okay, that's fine. And then increase the size of the picture. Then bring this down a little. I think that's fine. Now we are going to bring some of the resource. So let's pick this frame. So you drag, you come and drop it. Reduce the size. So we select our paper. We want to change the color to a different color. So you select it. You come to the FX color overlay. Click on color overlay. Now you are going to pick the same color of the stroke. So you come here. You click on it. Then you use a color picker to select any of the colors there. That's fine. Click OK. And OK. To reduce this a little. Okay, so we are going to bring the same picture. Then you're going to fix it inside this frame. So what I'm going to do is that Let's make this picture transparent. Then Control T. Control T to select it, to bring the transform. Controls, then we can rotate it, we can flip it. So let's flip it horizontally. That's fine. So what you want to do is that we want to cut the wanted area from it. So we select the ribbon lasso. Then we just perfect. Right click, select US, then you press on the delete key to delete, Control B to deselect. Now we can increase the opacity. That's fine. The next thing is to sharpen it. So filter, sharpen, on sharpen. Click OK. Now I want to make this picture black and white, so we come to image, adjustment, black and white. That's fine. So I click OK. Let's give it a shadow. So click on the frame. Then you come to the FX, click on shadow. So we are going to give it a little bit. Okay, let me cancel it. Then the shadow is already here. That's good. So what you have to do is that you just go to FX. I've done the shadow already, so we'll drop shadow. Then it will work perfectly for you. Now we are going to write the name of the person. So the name is already here, so let's select, copy, click on horizontal type to click on it. Control V to paste. Now let's change the color to a darker color from the background. I want us to change the font. So let's come to the font area. Let's come here. Then pick Antonio. Antonio is fine. Then the regular, we change it to bold. Let's decrease the spaces. That's fine. Then put it in the middle, or as I said, you can just come here. Where is it? I think it's here. You come and select canvas, then the align, click on this one. See, that's to align. You can select this or that or that. So the middle one will bring it exactly in the middle for you. Then let's bring the other name. Copy. So pick the horizontal tool, then control V to paste. Reduce the size with the control to reduce the size. Increases the size so that you can see is variable. Alright, so I'm going to put it in the middle. We come here, then select this. I'm going to pick rectangular tool to draw a line. Yeah, I'm going to use the same color. So you come here, the small box inside it, you double click on it, then you can select our color, click OK. Then let's use the arrow keys to adjust it. So we want the same line here, so you can just click on this one to duplicate it inside and create a new layer. You realize that it's two here. We can use the arrow keys to select, then shift it to the other side. Taking time, let me just hold it and just drag it. That's fine. So let's continue to bring down the information, the date or the year. Control V to paste, or you can just right click and click on paste. Let's decrease it. So let me change the bold to regular. So with the controls bars are there, you just have to enter on the keyboard. So I can allow you to work. Then you just choose regular for this. That's fine. So let's continue to bring our tests. The venue. Then go and paste it here. Let me reduce the size before pasting. So we'll come to the properties, reduce it. We just drag to reduce. Control V to paste. Reduce the size. I want it to be in the middle, so I'll come here and then align the center. Yeah, but let me choose both for this. Then let's bring the dates and the time. So let's bring the dates, copy. Then right click or Control V to paste. Reduce the size by scaling now. Okay, let me use a regular for this. But we should just really use the bold. Let's bolden it. So let me just duplicate this one by holding Alt, then Shift, holding Alt and dragging to duplicate. So this is going to be the tile. So let me just type it. So I want to increase the spacing and increase the spacing between this one too. Then drag it so that it can be aligned. Alignment is very important when it comes to designing. Alright, so let's bring some of the icons. So this is the venue icon. The enter and the move key. Always be sure anything that you do, you enter on the keyboard or you click on the move key, so it can allow you to do the next step or to continue working. So let's bring the tile. That's fine. The last one is the dates icon. So let's put a bar straight line here in the middle. Give it the same color. That's fine. So Control O or Control 0. That's perfect. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorials. Remember to subscribe. I'm Jason Napa. I'm out.